Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to continue building the Tamiya BT-01 chassis kit with the Supra body, and we're going to be gluing the tires. It's going to be steps 32 and 33. Let's get started. All right, so first let's take a look at the tires to make sure that they are the same on both sides. And it looks like it is, no matter which way you spin it. Sometimes the tread does have a direction. So we're just going to slip this on. Okay. All right, there's one. It should look like that. All right. And so we're going to be gluing these together. We're going to peel this back, exposing the groove inside, and put a bead of tire glue in there. It's basically super glue. And you can do it a couple ways. You can just peel it with your hand like this. That's not my favorite way to do it. I have this tool right here with me, and it is a tool that will help you press down on the wheel. You can make it a little bit bigger, and it's going to help me peel it back like this and expose the wheel. And normally you would hold it down, but I have trouble doing that, so I'm just going to use a few clips and make it even easier for myself. All right. And I'm going to be using TLR tire glue. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's go ahead. I didn't do a great job here, but let's go ahead and take these off. All right, let's bring the chassis back in, have it on a stand. So what we're going to do is we need the A4 right there, and it's going to be these right here. Okay, you need to find 4 pins and pay attention because the top one, the smaller one's the correct one. There are other size pins in here. So we're going to take this off, put that in there, and we're going to line it up into those grooves. Okay, you want to make sure it seats all the way in flush like that. Then we're going to take a wheel and push that through. Make sure it's seated on the nut. Put a nut on here. Let's go ahead and use one of these. Also, something you want tight. You don't want that falling off in the middle of running around. Okay, and we're done. So we got all 4 wheels on here. In the next video, we're going to be putting together the body post and actually the steering components as well. If you're building along and this video helped you, click that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.